Hello, everyone. Welcome to Talk Boost. My name is Anna, and today we teach English in a simple and positive way. If you want to improve your English, if you want to feel confident, if you want to stay positive and motivated, then this video is for you. Today's video is about positive affirmations. Please listen carefully. Please listen slowly. You can repeat after me. You can pause the video. You can listen every day. This video will help you improve your English listening. Learn simple English sentences. Feel calm, confident, and motivated. Think positive thoughts. Now take a deep breath. Relax your body. Relax your mind. Let us begin. I believe in myself. I believe in my ability to learn English. I believe I can improve every day. I am learning English step by step. I am not in a hurry. I am patient with myself. Mistakes help me learn. Mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are my teachers. I am not afraid of mistakes. I am proud of my effort. I respect myself. I can learn new words. I can understand English better every day. I can speak English with confidence. I trust myself. I trust my journey. I trust my progress. Today is a good day. Today I choose to learn. Today I choose to stay positive. I wake up with hope. I wake up with strength. I wake up with motivation. My mind is calm. My heart is peaceful. My thoughts are positive. I speak slowly and clearly. I am not nervous. I am relaxed. People understand me. I understand people. Communication is easy for me. I am confident when I speak. I am confident when I listen. I am confident when I learn. I enjoy learning English. English is becoming easy for me. I like new words. I practice English every day. Even 5 minutes helps me. Small steps make big progress. I remember new words easily. I use simple sentences. Simple English is powerful. I understand English videos. I understand English stories. I understand English conversations. I speak English without fear. I speak English without stress. I speak English with confidence. My pronunciation is improving. My listening skills are improving. My vocabulary is growing. I choose positive thoughts. I release negative thoughts. I focus on good things. I am calm inside. I am safe. I am strong. My past does not control me. My future is bright. My present moment is powerful. I replace fear with courage. I replace doubt with belief. I replace stress with peace. I smile more. I breathe deeply. I feel good. I never give up. I keep moving forward. I believe in consistency. Every day I grow. Every day I learn something new. Every day I improve. Success comes to me slowly and surely. I respect the process. I enjoy the journey. I am capable of success. I am worthy of success. I am ready for success. I work hard. I stay focused. I stay motivated. I speak English confidently. I speak English calmly. I speak English clearly. My voice matters. My words matter. My thoughts matter. I am not shy anymore. I am brave. I am strong. People listen to me. People respect me. I respect myself. I express my ideas easily. I express my feelings easily. I express myself freely. I love myself. I accept myself. I forgive myself. I am doing my best. My best is enough. I am enough. I take care of my mind. I take care of my body. I take care of my heart. I speak kindly to myself. I think kindly about myself. I treat myself with respect. Peace lives inside me. Happiness lives inside me. Confidence lives inside me. I am thankful for today. I am proud of myself. I am calm. My mind is relaxed. My body is relaxed. I sleep peacefully. Tomorrow will be better. Tomorrow I will learn more. Tomorrow I will grow. Take a deep breath. Smile gently. Feel the positive energy. You are doing great. Keep going. Never stop believing in yourself. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for spending your time with Talk Boost. If this video helped you, improve your English. Feel positive. Feel motivated. Please like this video. Please subscribe to Talk Boost. Please share this video with friends and family. I am Anna, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep boosting your English. Bye-bye.